Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by inspecting both ends, the magnetic puck and the device contact area. Remove debris with a soft brush. Corrosion blocks current. Plug the USB end into a 5V 12 amp adapter. Use the original when available. Bring the magnet close. Feel the snap as contacts align. Once connected, the magnetic connector should seat flush. If it wobbles, recheck orientation and contacts. You're ready to confirm charging indicators before moving on. Now secure alignment and confirm power flow. Hold the device steady and press the magnet into place until it clicks. A flush fit ensures full contact. Check the battery icon or LED within 5-10 seconds. If nothing changes, remove and reseat once. Once done, try a different USB port or a higher current adapter if charge is slow. The cable itself often limits amperage. Make sure heat is minimal. Excessive warmth signals poor contact or a mismatched adapter. Finish by leaving the connection undisturbed for the first few minutes so the battery management system can calibrate and accept current. Unplug by removing the magnetic head. Never yank the cord, so the cable and port stay intact. Monitor charge rate periodically. If charging stops or is intermittent, swap the cable or adapter to isolate faults. If problems persist, inspect device contacts for damage. That single troubleshooting tip. Test alternate cable/adapter first. Saves time and pinpoints the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.